is going on, Pink Ops community? We got a gift pack opening. Shout out TopShot. They really bless us with these packs. Showing love to the community. Each player is going for like 60 to 80. The lower serial numbers are going higher, like 200. It's sweet. For the set, I'm probably not going to do the set personally, but it is a good set. I'm hyped. Let's get into the pack opening. All right, let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's get a good pull. Low serial number. Come on. Gift pack. Shout out TopShot for doing these gift packs also. They're sweet. Get some good luck from our boys Brian, Jordan, and James. Let's go. Ooh, this is hype. Come on, give us a Butler. Butler would be good. McCollum. So let's go. D'Angelo Russell. Alright. Alright. I mean, like $80 no matter what, so I'm fine with that. Alright, let's see how much that goes for. Alright, number 3. 65? Yeah. Yeah, that's fire. Yeah, but alright, that was a sweet pack opening. Thank you, TopShot, for doing that. The gifts were sick. Let's keep going. Hopefully you guys are entering the giveaway. The giveaway is gonna be big. You know, free moments. Who doesn't like moments? Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for the subs. Yeah, we're coming up with more content every single week. They tapped into TopShot, but yeah, we're keeping up with the content, all that, and yeah, D'Angelo Russell, good pull. I'm happy.